to prepare garlic and onion oil for hair at home. Take 8 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup carrier oil, olive oil or coconut oil, and 1 medium-sized onion, optional. Next, crush the garlic and onion or throw them in a blender to get a fine pulp. Now, heat the carrier oil in a pan and add the garlic and onion paste to the oil. Afterwards, heat the oil until the pulp starts to turn brown. Turn off the heat. Once the oil has cooled, strain it and discard the pulp. Massage your scalp with 2 tablespoons of oil. After 15 minutes of massaging, cover the length of your hair in the oil and let it sit for an additional 30 minutes. In the end, wash off with a mild shampoo. Conditioning is optional since the oil acts as a conditioner. For best results, repeat this remedy 3 times a week. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.